Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm excited to share our family's journey after relocating. For those of you who are new, my name is Jaden. We're super excited to have you join us along on our first snow days on the property. My husband Cody, myself, and our two babies just moved from California to East Tennessee. We're loving it, so hope you guys join along. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We have a couple days before we leave to go to Texas. We have to take all of the stuff in these and put it in here. We have like a couple hours because we're supposed to have a winter storm starting in a few hours. We're trying to get it done now before it starts dumping snow. The last wagon, and they're all finally empty. Look at it, it's insane. We got a little powdered sugar. All of the stuff is inside.
Yeah, I'll be happy. New whole boxes are coming.
Yeah, we get up.
Oh, we got four-wheel drive. Hi, buddy. What do we see outside? What's outside? We're getting some snow.
So it's been snowing for a while. We probably have 1 inch to 2 inches, somewhere like that, on the ground. But it showed us that little footprints. Came over here. I'm not sure where they go. They disappear after they hit this spot. The little hoofs. And they go to the car.
It's beautiful. Look at that. So pretty. I just woke up. It's like a winter wonderland. Crazy. It's so beautiful. How much snow is on the car? That's crazy. There's like a solid 3 to 4 inches on the car. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. The lake has got snow all over it down there. Let's see if I can zoom in so y'all can see it. We'll have to go make a snowman later. Zeke, can you say good morning? Good morning. Look at that. It snowed so much, huh? I think we got like 4 or 5 inches of snow last night. It's just so beautiful. Definitely be making a snowman later. Do you want to go make a snowman?
Hey Zeke, are you gonna play in the snow? Yeah. Harlow wants to play in the snow.
Do you want to go outside? You want to go make some yellow snow? Okay. She's never experienced snow before.
Harlow, come.
She loves it. That's so cute. Harlow, go potty.
You almost ready?
Ready.
Ready. Okay, we gotta get baby ready.
You know, I thought there was a lot more black bears in eastern Tennessee, but I've only seen brown bears.
Jaden, you should show your great duct tape fix for your boots because, you know, duct tape.
This fixes everything.
You got me.
Got my phone.
You gotta get grandma.
Babe, can you fix it?
Get grandma.
I'm gonna grandma with a snowball. Oh my gosh. Ah, you did it. You got me.
Good job, buddy! Yay! Hardo is a happy girl. This is a happy girl. Hardo, come here. You get another one? You ready? Hardo, back up.
Oh, that was a good catch.
Good girl, Hardo. She's a good girl.
Zeke! Oh, nest!
Hey, Harno, are you excited?
Good job, buddy. Can you use this hand? Tap it with this hand? Yeah, there you go. Yes, good job.
It looks kind of like a duck, and I appreciate that.
No, Zeke, leave it there. Don't touch it.
Come on.
Do you want to go pick one? Okay, let's go pick one. Got it? Show Grandma.
You got it. Wow, you got a big one.
Icicle.
Icicle.
Tasty icicles. He's just eating the icicle.
He's just munching. All right, wait. Oh, it's so on. I'm tired now.
Right in the butt.
Down, get her!
Deke's just over here munching on this icicle. Is that good, buddy?
Oh, I got my shirt. Okay, I'm done. I'm out. Oh, oh my. Okay.
What tool are you using to scrape your car?
A squeegee.
It's
It
like
worked.
it works. It's like what you have, right?
Yeah, it worked, but it was kind of satisfying.
See, what you're witnessing here are two Californians who are severely underprepared for their first experience with snow. And you might be asking, are they really raking their driveway? And yes, you would be correct. And it was about as effective as eating soup with a fork. But you know what? If a fork is what you have, a fork is what you use. So eventually you'll eat the soup, and eventually we'll clear the driveway. Zeke needed a little break from all of the raking of the snow, so we took a pit stop at the swing. You having fun, bub? Are you swinging? You're swinging in our winter wonderland, huh? Do you need to get pushed again? Ooh. Zeke started to fall asleep on the swing, so I took him back to the house for a nap, and then I went back down to help Cody some more. Pond is freezing. We got lots of deer tracks coming through here, which is really cool to see they're still on our property. I was concerned that we were making too much noise for them, but they come through here, they cross over, they go up this little path. Actually, I think they go that way. Yeah, they do. They go here. Where do they go? They go up. They go up through there. And I think some go that way too, but super cool. I kind of wish it snowed more often in Tennessee, but it's a lot of work. Let me see. We don't even have a snow shovel. This is like ridiculous. We need to go to the store. We were not expecting this much snow, but we raked off just the steepest spot of our driveway so we can get the car down, park it by the shed, because we leave in a couple days, so why not at least have a car down there so we can go in it. But pain in the butt, but it'll be okay. Here we go. Lord protect them. I'm gonna follow you. Okay, well don't stop. It's sliding. Oh jeez. He made it. So many deer hoof prints. It's crazy.
Skid steer purchase coming soon.
We drove the truck down to see if it'd make it. It slipped a little bit. It was okay. But we left our... This is awful. We left our little shovel in the shed down there. So when we were walking back up, he grabbed it. And it's working a lot better than the rake. We're city slickers.
Not for long.
No, we're buying a skid steer. It's time. Dada and Zeke are out shoveling the sidewalk. So cute. What a good helper.
There's tracks going through the snow. All the way over there. There's a lot of tracks up here. Let's follow them. I'll kind of figure out what is it. I mean, there's deer. There's a lot of tracks up here. Going that way. A lot of tracks. And like over here, a whole bunch. Like this is all fresh snow, so there's just so many tracks. So I don't know what kind of animal that is. Going down that way. I guess one thing we need to learn how to do is figure out what tracks are what. You just go off down up this trail. It's cool though. They're totally using your path, Cody. The path you cut, they're thinking it's pretty great and they like it. But here's our truck. So when we first toured the property back in, I think July, this whole area is covered. It's like a forest. It was green and beautiful. And this truck was just sitting here hidden. And they told us that not to worry, that if we wanted to buy the land, that the truck would be removed, that they were going to find someone to take it. And we actually asked them to please leave it here because we just loved it so much.
Well, we had to stop at the shed, and that's a big animal. That is, like here's my hand for size comparison. That's a big paw print. This is me just standing. If you're looking at this stride, that's bigger than my dog. Yeah, we still have no idea what was down by the shed, but we started to look up different animal footprints, and I don't know. It's a little freaky knowing like how much is actually on our property, and having little ones, it's a little nerve-wracking. So if you guys noticed what type of footprints each thing was, please let me know, because that would be really helpful. Hope you guys enjoyed our video today, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.